On this quick video, let me make a quick review for Clickmagick, one of the best marketing tools that I'm using right now to measure what I'm treasuring, especially when it comes to my online business with affiliate marketing. And I'll let you know why I've been using it for almost 3 years now. So if you want to know why, stick around, because I'm gonna cover on that. Now, right before I get started, a little bit of housekeeping. If it's your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, my name is Billy Anellis. Welcome, and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur, and my channel is all about marketing, making money online, working from home, being your own boss, and the marketing tools that you have to use in order to effectively run a business online. So if you want to get some more content about that, I invite you to subscribe right now by hitting the big red button right in this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications for when I upload new videos. I've been doing them daily lately. So I don't want you to miss out on that. All right, and if you are a regular, well, welcome back on another one of my videos. So what is Clickmagick? And by the way, you can find a link right underneath this video so that you can claim your free trial to try Clickmagick out, right? So Clickmagick is a software that allows you to track your traffic online, and I like to track things because that's what's going to allow you to know where your traffic is coming from. When you put links out there on the internet, you'll know where your traffic is coming from, what's converting the best, and so on and so forth. And one of the reasons why I really like to use Clickmagick is for the number one reason right here, is that when you have a link that goes down, say that something's wrong with one of your links, you instantly get an alert, a notifications via email that tells you, hey, something is wrong with one of your links. This link seems down. So it allows you to go check it out in the event that something went wrong with your link, or maybe something is wrong with your server. It gives you a notification so that you can go ahead and check that out. All right. Another one of the reason why I really like Clickmagick is because you're able to measure the traffic quality that you are getting, right? So for example, okay, I'm gonna go to one of my links, and as you can see, I have a lot of them. So I go to the options for it, and you can select traffic quality, and you'll see the actual traffic quality that you're getting on a link, right? So it's measuring the traffic quality for you. So in the event that you may be getting solo ad traffic, right, or you're buying traffic from someone, Clickmagick is so advanced, and the software is so on point that it is going to be able to measure the traffic quality for you. And that's key right there, because I did caught a few fake traffic sellers, and if they're all bots, it's going to be on the red, and that's not good for you. All right. Another thing that I really like about Clickmagick is that you can create your own custom links, right? So in the event that you create a new link, so say for example, I create a new link, I can go on there and create my own tracking link that I can connect to my domain name, so that it's not the actual regular Clickmagick link that you get right here. So the way that it works is that you create a link on Clickmagick, you're putting the link inside of the link that you're creating on the software, right? So this is my link for Clickmagick, right? This is my affiliate link for it. So you create a link on Clickmagick, and the link that you want to track, you put it inside of the link that you create on that platform. It's going to be able to track it. You'll see how many clicks you're getting, how many unique clicks you're getting. And what's cool also, if I go back here, is that you can easily do split testing, okay? And that's actually another thing that I like about Clickmagick, is that you can do split testing, or you can have it in a way that it's set up to rotate and to distribute traffic to different places. So say for example, you have a team of 5, and you want a certain amount of traffic to be sent to 5 people that are on your team. You can divide that traffic, and you'll say, okay, say that you're getting 500 clicks, you can set up a link to where you have 100 clicks that go to one person, 100 click to another, 100 click to another, until it just divides the 500 traffic that you're getting to each and every one of those people. And so you can actually have 2 links that you testing inside of the link that you create inside of Clickmagick. And you can also have conversion. You can track conversions to see which one of your links or which one of your opt-in page is getting the most conversions, and you can put a little pixel on your web pages on the header, and you'll be able to see which one of your pages are getting the most conversions. And when you do split testing, I think that's pretty important, so that you can get the winning page and you can keep optimizing like this until you get the higher results for those pages. What I also like about Clickmagick is that depending on where your traffic is coming from, you can direct it to different places. So say for example, you have traffic coming from the tier 1 countries, you know, Canada, United States, United Kingdom, you know, some of the main countries that you have. If the traffic is coming from those places, then you can direct to your main website. And if it's not coming from those places, which is not tier 1 countries, then you can direct it to another page. And that's pretty cool right there. So you see it here, you can select only the countries targeted below, and then you can select your countries and say tier 1, right? And then it's gonna select, you know, Australia, United Kingdom, United States, New Zealand, and Canada. And your link that you set up right here, when the traffic is coming from those places, it'll go to your main link. And if it's not, then you can have a backup link to where you say, you know, this link is not available in those countries and stuff like that. You can have a web page that actually says that. And I think that's pretty cool, especially if you're doing, say for example, Instagram marketing, and what you're offering is only available in tier 1 countries. Then you can put your Clickmagick link there, and you can direct the traffic to different places depending on where the traffic is coming from, if you don't want people that are not in the tier 1 countries. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you got some value over here, and you get a pretty good overview of the reasons why I like Clickmagick a lot as a software that helps me to track and to measure what I treasure, right? And it's pretty important for you to track things, especially if you're doing things online and you're gonna have an affiliate link that's gonna go to many places. You want to track and see where the best traffic is coming from, so that you can optimize and rinse and repeat what's actually working. All right, so if you appreciate that, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button right now, show me your appreciation. And if you have any questions or any concerns, just leave a comment below right now. I reply to every single one of my comments, so if you have feedback also, you can leave them below and I'll reply back. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, and the marketing tools that you can use to effectively run a business online. So hit the bell, hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos on my channel. And don't forget, you can claim your free trial for Clickmagick right now, so that you can test it out and see how powerful it is to have a link tracker as a tool for your business online, by clicking the link around this video right now in the description box, and you will have access to Clickmagick and use it for free to test it out and see if it's worth your while. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna sign out now. This was Billy Nellis here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.